Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how you can trade up-down options on crypto.com. So first thing you need to do is open up your crypto.com app and then you have to click on this crypto.com logo at the bottom of your screen. Then it's going to show you this screen. From here you have to click on this knockout options. So this option will only display if you are eligible for this up-down options. So you first have to make sure that you are eligible for this. And once you have this option, you need to tap on it. Then you will be able to see the similar screen. On this screen you will see all of your open positions, and you can also click on this order history to see your previous option positions. Now to trade up down options, you need to click on this trade now button. Then you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to use to trade up down options. I'm going to select Bitcoin. For that you have to just simply tell that if the Bitcoin price will rise or fall. So if you think Bitcoin price will rise, you have to click on this up button, or if you think Bitcoin price will fall, you need to click on this down button. Then it's going to open up this screen where you can simply select your position. So as you can see in the first position, the target is 2700 and the stop is 27600. So that means that if the Bitcoin price is between these two prices, then you will get profit. But if the Bitcoin price fall below this top value, then you are going to get loss. So just you have to choose the option that you want to use from here. You can also switch from up and down from here if you want. So after that you just have to select your position. You can select this first position or second position. So just select your preferred position from here, and once you click on it, this is going to open up this similar screen where you have to enter the numbers of contract that you want to buy for your selected position. Once you have entered this number, you have to click on this review button. Then it's going to show you the details of your knockout order. So just you can read through these details and then click on this confirm button, and you just need to enter your passcode and your trade up down option will be traded. So now you can simply tap anywhere to continue, and that's all you need to do. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.